Well, shoot. It'll be one of those days. That's all I'm having. All those days like that. Why don't you just sit right there? Right there. Alright. We already getting off to a falling start this morning. Or midday. Welcome to Blue Bike and Doyle channel with a mail call. At least I hope that's what I'm doing. I don't know. No. Oh, man. Whee! Let's fly into it. I forgot the mail. Whee! Hey, welcome to Mail Call. We got 4 things this morning. Let's see here. Let me see. From Plush Bat, from Dream Big Production, Plush Bat fan. Woo! Just seeing. I don't have a postmark date. That. We'll go with this one. It should be. I don't know. It's from Plush Bat fan, and it's a Doberman Pinscher. You don't see too many Doberman Pinscher. It's Rudy. Rudy. You know what that's from? Wish I could read. Let's see, it's right down here in the mall. It says, best pet. I don't know, they ordered it so dang small or something. Pet, swimming. Favorite food, pastime. Swimming. Something. Meat sticks. Favorite toy is a squeaky duck. And something chasing other dogs. That's his favorite pastime. And naughtiest deed is jumping on the countertop. Well, why are you doing that, Rudy? That's Rudy, a Doberman Pinschers. This one's December 29th. 29th. It's got some pointers, some Irish setters, probably. Yeah. Like some kind of pointer. And one in the middle looks like an Irish setter. Oh, this was a Grover. Nope. Who is that? Oh, it just says forever. No, Glow. I don't know. It's not Emo. Elmo. Oh, I know who that one is. That's the Grouch, Oscar. Yeah, Happy New Year's, January 6th. And we got Sydney. I guess I need to turn that back on, don't we? Sydney is favorite pastime. I can read this one because it's not black on black, right? Sleeping and eating. That's my favorite pastime. Of course, toy is a classified. Favorite toy. Favorite food. Classified. Okay, favorite toy is a Kong, a rubber Kong. Okay. And naughtiest deed is eating towels. What are you eating towels for there? It's a wine dog. Sydney is a wine dog. My wife needs one of those. All right, we got a package from the notorious Bikes, Beard, and Brew, which has taken up a pastime of painting. He's a painter now. All right, what we get a note? Yep, we got something. Oh, it flew out. It's a Bikes, Beard, and Brew sticker. Woohoo! Hey, oh boy, he wrote this real. He didn't write this. It's too nice. Well, here's a shirt. Looks at this motherfucking shit in the motherfucker. This is my sexiest, I don't know, motherfucker up in the fucking house. So I wanted to expede something. You one of the first absolutely piece of motherfucking glory. Wear this motherfucker with pride as you support this absolutely demanding something of riding. 2 wheels like a motherfucking beast in the motherfucker something. Also included the new chromoly shiny fucker sticker for this year. Oh, that looks like the same motherfucking stickers from last year, except it's chromoly. Ooh, fancy. Oh, it's 2 of them. Okay. Sound like it's fixing to start raining. Oh, it's easy peel. I just got to get the corner. Lucky I just cut my fingernail. All right, we got that sticker right there. You can scan that code to get his thingy. It'll fit right there. Right there's the Ben's Boston Vlogger. The Boston Vlogger. Whoo, that sounds like a serial killer. The Boston Vlogger. The Boston Strangler. What's we got here? We got a... Oh, nah. He loves these cars, believe me. He just, notice I say car. It's a 3-wheel car, and he really, really likes them. He really wants one. He just love getting behind them in the mountain roads. Go watch our videos. You can go watch that video right there, and that one right there, and hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you down the road. I guess I put this back and we'll wear it in the mountains. Come in August, I think. Later.